Deep Search AI Review. Is this AI assistant worth it? So Deep Search AI claims to enable effortless searching for individuals based on names, phone numbers, email, or even usernames across multiple social media platforms, and publicly available data, all consolidated into a single app. It's promoted as a convenient tool for reconnecting, verifying, or researching people's online presence. So what's good about it is it has a high user rating and some trust metrics. It's apparently good for great and finding public figures. However, it comes with a downside. It is heavily paywalled and limited for non-celebrities, and virtually all useful features requires a paid subscription. However, this app's feature offers almost nothing beyond celebrity lookups, and it also has a low accuracy for ordinary individuals, which has some fails for searches among non-famous people, and it is also considered misleading by many users. Plus, its highly critical user has some sentiment. Apparently, people commented that it's trash, horrible, and the suggestions to use just Google instead. So, in conclusion, for its legitimacy, well, it's technically legit. The app exists and works for public figures. However, the accuracy is poor for everyday people, so if you're looking up well known individuals and don't mind paying, Deep Search AI might offer some value, but it's not worth it.